Okay, look. So you guys gonna ask me like, dude, how do you off the bike? Siri, turn off the bike. What is up, guys? Hope you guys are doing great today. We'll be riding the RS125. Ooh! So this is the Ducati and this is the RS125. So something about the bike that you guys don't know is that it's actually connected to Siri, to my iPhone, and I can actually turn on the bike from my phone. It's actually keyless. I don't need like keys to turn on the bike. Just take a look. Hey Siri, turn on the bike. How cool is that? Woo! And this is the RS125 and it is rideable now. So I just went to Asing 2 days ago to change one of the pipe because it was leaking. Like I told you guys, it's gonna take like 2 to 3 more trips to Asing to ensure that the bike is completely rideable. I also changed the orange light to white light. Look at that, look at how bright that is. It's beautiful. So this is not how the final outlook of the bike. I'm going to do some more changes. Number one is this is ugly as fuck. I'm going to change this. Number two is this. So this is the stock exhaust. I have the Aero exhaust pipe is at home. It's actually an Aero full system, so that's one. I'm also looking for an all-in suspension. We're gonna remove the mirrors, of course. It looks ugly. Sports bike doesn't need mirrors. Yeah, planning to change the levers as well. Other than that, the bike is still like running in because I changed the piston, so I couldn't really ride that fast. But honestly, running in this bike is going like around 90, 95, around 90 to 100. So it's not that bad. So I will be sending this bike to Mal Lambat for wrapping on Wednesdays. So maybe by like next week, it'll be 95% done. I also ordered some polishing stuff because I'm gonna polish this part to make it like very, very shiny. So let's go for a ride. Oh my god, I miss riding a two-stroke, man. Hello, excuse me, can you please open the gate for me? Oh. Thanks, bro. So nice. It's so nice of him. In case you guys are wondering like, why does it sound like that? I have no idea. My guess is, this is my guess, alright? And I'm not a very technical bike person. I'm like, okay only. My knowledge not that good, but I'm still learning. My guess is that it's because I'm using like 34mm carburetor. So it's a little bit too big. So during like the first few RPMs, maybe like from 1 to 5 RPM, it's a bit sluggish, but it feels so good after like 7 and 8. Once the valve starts to open, dude, this bike feels amazing. There's no problem going like around 120, 130 cruising on this bike. Definitely we can go way more than that, but you know, we are in Singapore, so I stick to 90 lah, of course. Yeah, I also got new Battle Axe tires because you need Battle Axe on your RS125, man. I have no idea how this is gonna sound like on the audio, but let's just hope the two-stroke sound does not overrule my voice. I really can't wait for the Aero exhaust. I also ordered a few stuff from Shopee like tank caps, we have grip puppies. So yeah, there's still a lot of things that I want to do to this bike. I was actually thinking of increasing its CC to 155. There's a 155 Polini kit and I was thinking like, do I need that extra 30 CC? And the answer is yes, I do need it. But I'm not going to do it now, maybe down the line, but because this piston is still new, so I'm not gonna change it. So currently the bike is riding perfectly fine. There's no issues, there's no weird stuff happening. The brakes are working great, the gears are fine, the tires are fine. I changed the bearings and all. I changed whatever that needs to be changed. That's the thing about motorcycle, guys. If you guys take care of the bike, it will take care of your wallet. I'm serious, like it's gonna cost you a bit to take care of your bike, but if you're gonna use it till something couldn't be used, it's gonna destroy like other parts of your bike. So don't be I don't like to use the word cheapskate, but I know you guys try to save money. I was in your position too, but trust me, it's gonna cost more when more stuff starts to like break down. So don't be afraid to spend on your bikes because it will take care of you. It will take care of the rest of the part. And I always emphasize this to people: make sure your bike is running smoothly, then go for the outlook. Don't go for the outlooks first, man, because your bike can look like the sexiest, the meanest, the prettiest looking bike on the road, but if it doesn't run, then what the fuck is it for? It's just gonna sit at your car park, right? So this is also why when I tell people like, yo, you need like some experience first, like don't straight away buy like brand new R1 once you get your license. It's because you need to understand, you need to know what to look out for. Like for me, I've been riding for like 8 years, and that's not even much experience. 8 years. If there is something wrong on my bike, I can automatically feel it. And I know some of you guys out there, you guys understand what I'm saying. Like when you're riding and there's just something off about your bike, you can feel it and you start thinking like, what's wrong? What's wrong? So that's why you go to your internet. You start to Google and all, and then you start to learn, and then you bring to the shop to confirm it, and the person say, yeah, that's the problem. And there you go, solve it. Once you feel something wrong about your bike and you know there's something wrong with your bike, don't ride it until like, I'll ride until it breaks down. That's such a bad mindset, man. Because think about it, what if your bike breaks down in the middle of the expressway? Let's say right now, if I don't change the bearings on my tires, what if the wheel bearing explodes and my rear tire gets locked? Suddenly my bike stops in the middle of the expressway, and if the person behind me is following me too closely, or he or she is not paying attention, I will die. I will get run over, man. So that's why maintenance is very important. Not only for your pocket, but also for your safety lah. I'm really not feeling this 34mm, man. It's a bit too much. It feels a bit sluggish at the lower revs. I need to bring this bike to like 8, 9 or 10 RPM to really enjoy it. I still have like around 800 kilometers to go to complete the 1000 kilometer running in. So, oh my god, I'm just gonna be riding at this speed. Honestly, for this bike, you can cruise like around 4th or 5th gear, 7, 8 RPM. You're going faster than most of them really. Yeah, I don't even need my Ducati, man. It's a bit overkill, but yeah. Oh no, it looks like it's gonna rain. Ooh, there's an R3 with a box, look at that. I have nothing against boxes, but it just doesn't go well with sports bikes, man. I've seen a Hayabusa with a box before. I've seen an RS125 with a box. Oh my god. Imagine buying an R1M and then you put a fucking box on it. Oh my god. Like if you want boxes, I would recommend you like buying like those touring bikes. Like bro, you can put like so many things in there, man. And it actually makes the bike looks better. Honestly, for Singapore road, 2B bike is more than enough. If you're gonna use it for transport, 2B bikes is more than enough. Anyway, thank you so much for almost 100 subs, guys. I know it's not a lot, but to me, it really means a lot. It's a milestone for me, and I really appreciate you guys for subscribing to me. I feel like I want to do a giveaway, like maybe a motorbike wash giveaway. I'm gonna choose one of you guys at random to win a motorcycle wash. Yeah, once it hits 100, I'm gonna choose at random, and the winner will be announced in the next video. You guys can choose to wash your bike together with me, or if you guys want to meet me, then you can go wash yourself lah. A bit sad lah, but okay lah. And yeah, I'll be organizing a ride soon. Most probably like once I finish wrapping the bike. I think it's mostly gonna be like 2B bike. So yeah, I'm gonna be riding my RS125, of course. I'm not gonna be riding my Ducati. I will organize another ride for class 2 bikes. But you know, I need to meet those R15s, man. I meet a lot of friends, especially on TikTok, and you guys are amazing, man. And most of them are riding R15 and they're just laughing along. It's great, man. It's really nice to see like some people can take jokes and all. I was actually scared when I was like posting all those. I was like, oh my god, what if I get cancelled? Holy shit. But hey, you guys know my intention is not to like hurt anybody, it's just for fun, so that's great. And I really can't wait with you guys. I really want to see you because some of you guys really have nice R15. Oh, and yes, we have ordered our winglets. I bought the same exact winglets as Panagale. Oh my god, it's so funny. We're gonna put it on the bike and I can't wait. And shout out to R1, man. R1 is my #1 hater. I think I converted him into a fan because he started following me. So shout out to R1, thank you. Like he posted something stupid and I replied something stupid, and I think from there we became friends. Yeah, you know, like he's trying to get into my nerves, and then he like sees that I pretty much don't care about what people say, and then he was like, my brother. So shout out to R1, thank you so much. Your comment helped me make great content. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Do tell me what you guys want me to talk about next. I will be collaborating with some TikTokers and also some YouTubers, big names. I will not disclose anything yet because it's still in discussion. I want to make sure that it actually happened before I actually overhype it. Later cancel, I malu. So, but I'm really excited. He's one of the reasons why I actually started moto vlogging. So working with him is gonna be... Ooh. Yeah, this is why I love to be bikes. Working with him will be an honor. So do stay tuned for that. Do remember to like, subscribe and share this video. Guys, I really appreciate you guys subscribing to me. It really just motivates me, and like I say, I'm gonna reach 100 soon. Even though it's not a lot to some of you guys, it really means a lot to me. Thank you so much guys, and see you guys in the next video. Okay, look. So you guys gonna ask me like, dude, how do you get off the bike? Siri, turn off the bike. Ta-da! So yeah, you can go to Asing and ask Asing to like install the device down there that will actually connect to your phone. I'm not sure if other bikes can do it, but so far I've only seen it on my RS125. I actually saw someone do it on YouTube, and then I just asked Asing, can I do this? And Asing said, yeah, sure, why not?